If ABCD is a parallelogram with vertices A, B, and C having the coordinates -2, -1, 3, 0, and 1, -1 respectively, then determine the coordinates of vertex D. Okay, let us begin. So here we have a parallelogram A, B, C, D. Coordinates of A, B, and C are given to us. We need to find out the coordinates of vertex D. So we'll suppose that the coordinates of vertex D is given by x, y. Now since AB is CD is a parallelogram, the opposite sides are going to be equal. So what we'll do, we'll consider the vector AB. That means we'll consider the side AB of the parallelogram and represent it as a vector going from A to B. And we'll also consider another vector DC for the side DC of the parallelogram going from D to C, and we'll equate them. That means we have AB vector equals to the vector DC. Using this, we can find out the coordinates of point D or the vertex D. So let's first find out the vector AB. So here, what we have to do, we'll have to take the difference of the x coordinate, multiply with I cap, and then add it to the difference of the y coordinate. Now, how do we find out the difference of the x coordinate? So here we will do b minus a. That means we'll start with the x coordinate of the end point, which is b, and from it subtract the x coordinate of the initial point, that's a. So we have 3 minus -2, we're going to get 3 plus 2. Then the difference of the y coordinate is going to be 0 minus -1, so we have 0 plus 1. This is going to be equals to, now we will try to find out the vector DC. Now in the vector DC, C is the end point and D is the initial point. Now that means the difference of the x coordinate is going to be 1 minus x. Multiply to I cap, this will get added to the difference of the y coordinate, so that's -2 minus y times j cap. Now let's simplify this, and now we're going to get 5 times I cap plus j cap. That is going to be equals to 1 minus x I cap added to -2 minus y j cap. What we can do, we can equate both sides. So equating both sides gives us 1 minus x equals to 5, and we get -2 minus y equals to +1. So let's solve for the value of x. So x is going to be 1 minus 5, that's -4. Then we have y equals to -2 minus 1, so that's going to be -3. So now we have the values of x and y. So we can finally say that the coordinate of point D, that's going to be -4, -3.